Next, Mason Constructions wants to connect two parks on the opposite side of a town with a road. Okay, these are two parks, Park A, Park B, and this is a town. Surveyors have laid down a map as shown. The road can be built through the town or around the town through point R. The roads intersecting at right angle at point R, means this is the right angle. The line joining Park A to Park B is parallel to line joining C and D. Okay, so got the picture? Yeah. So this is the right angle R. What is the distance between the parks through the town? Means this distance AB we have to find out. Okay, see this. AB parallel to CD. Okay, and what is given? Angle ABC, ABC congruent to angle BCD, alternate angles, right? Okay, now in triangle ABR, ABR and CDR, okay, these two triangles, ARV equals to angle CRD. Why? Opposite. ARV this and CRD opposite, as well as 90 also, but opposite, anything you can take it. So this is ARB equals to CRD, and angle ABR equals to angle RCD. Angle ABR equals to angle RCD. This angle and this angle. Just now we have seen alternate. Therefore, triangle ABR similar to triangle CDR, right? ABR similar to triangle, actually DCR it should be, DCR. Okay, DCR by AA test. Okay, these two are similar now. Therefore, AB upon CD equals to AR upon RD, AR upon RD equals to BR upon CR, BR upon CR. Okay, put the values. AB upon 1.4 equals to AR upon RD equals to 7.5 upon 1.2. So what do we want? AB we want it, right? Distance AB is required. Therefore, AB equals to 7.5 into 1.4 upon 1.2. That is 8.75. That is the answer. Solve this, you will get 8.75. Okay. Second question in this is, what is the distance from Park A to Park B through point R? Through point R means we have to go A to R and then R to B. R to B we know. Only we have to find A to R. Okay. In triangle ARB, in triangle ARB, AR square plus RB square equals to AB square, because it is a right angle. Therefore, AR square equals to IAB square minus RB square. We take RB on this side. Okay. So AB square is what? 8.75. RB square is what? 7.5. So solve this. Now 8.75 square, this is not that simple. You have to find squares. Here we have separate Vedic mathematics videos. You go through those videos, because finding squares of these 3-digit numbers is only possible in Vedic mathematics without using the calculator. Similarly 7.5 square. So you follow that. I have made separate videos for Vedic maths, multiplication, division, everything. Follow that. So 76.5625. Or if you can do it yourself, then you can do it, but it will take huge time. Then 7.5 square is 56.25. This is 5 is easy. Here always the logic behind any square which has 5 at the end, the logic is very simple. Write 25 and multiply this number, earlier number, by the next number. 7 8 is 56. So you will get this. Similarly over here also you can do it. 5 square 25 and 87 into 88. You will get 7656. Okay. But follow those Vedic maths. You will understand it better. Therefore, AR square equals to 20.3125. This subtraction. Okay. Therefore, AR equals to square root of this. Again Vedic maths. Or you can do it by division method. You have studied it in 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, everywhere. Okay. So do that. AR equals to 4.5. Now we got what? AR. Okay. AR is known and RB is known. Just add them. 4.5 plus 7.5. That is 12. Okay. So A to B through R is 12 meters. Okay. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to